Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts. Look at this pile of beauty here. These are my new Sari bundles this week, and there's some really beautiful pieces in here. And before I get to that, I have 4 exactly like this with one little exception. Each kit will get an extra piece in it, and the extra piece in each kit will be different. And I will explain. One of the kits will get this as your extra piece. It is a collar piece from a child Sari. So that will be in one of the kits. 2 of the kits will get this beautiful mirrored piece. It's absolutely gorgeous. So 2 of the kits will have that. And then the 4th kit is going to have this gripping, huge, beautiful piece with all these rhinestones. It just keeps going. And then there's some leaves. So these are just extra pieces that I didn't have multiples of that I'm adding into the kit. So it'll be a surprise which one of those you get in your kit when you get your kit. So that's that. So, these kits are beautiful. Nice big pieces for you guys. And I have a lot of new stuff coming in probably in about 2 weeks now. So I'm, reorganizing again, because when you have saris like this, you're constantly, moving things around and finding space and so I like to give you guys options in your kits too. So this piece has the kits will have one of the rose gold pieces. This is so beautiful. I almost didn't part with it, but I did. I did save a piece of this for myself. It's gorgeous, rose gold Sari. It has rhinestones. Look at the sparkle. I mean, wow. You could cut each of those little pieces out if you wanted to. Some of them will have a little bit of fabric on, some of them didn't, so luck of the draw which one you get, but they're all beautiful. So you'll get that. There is this beautiful piece. Again, with the mirrors and the rhinestone, oh, pardon me, those aren't mirrors, those are gemstones. Metal beading and rhinestone flowers, and look at these beautiful leaves up here. You can cut each of those out if you wanted to and add them to a flower. They'd be so pretty on a flower. You could cut the bottom part, the middle part, that part, and then the leaves. So you could get a lot off this Sari piece. And I've included a nice long piece of this beautiful trim. And this is so gorgeous. These are all like little French knots in here and on top of the sequins. And it's a nice big piece. Just so sparkly and pretty. You will get one of these purple appliques. One of the blue. This one has a tiny bit of purple on the bottom, but there's one of the blue. There is this nice big applique in each one. There is this piece with these gorgeous motifs. Look at how sparkly. They're so pretty. And then there is this one in the blue. A lot of the pieces are going to have like the top parts of the saris. So these are like big pieces. So I think you guys will be amazed. This was part of a skirt, these pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the beadwork in that. I mean, it is just amazing. There's a lot here. A lot. This is some beautiful embroidery work. And everybody's loving the pink and orange lately. So this is a nice big piece of the embroidered flowers. And you can cut all those flowers out individually. Really pretty. This was a gorgeous dress. It's pink, rose gold, and gray, and gold. And this was a sleeve. So 2 of them will have the sleeves of the dress, because there's only 2 sleeves. The other 2 will have comparable pieces with the same types of motifs on it. So again, it's the luck of the draw. Yes, that is the right way. So you can see how beautiful that is. It's gorgeous. I mean, and this is big enough. You can see my hand, how big this is. That would be a beautiful journal cover. I mean, or you could just cut this motif out, really, on the top here with all these beautiful flowers. It's gorgeous. And it's funny, in the camera, it's fairly close, but this looks bluer. This is gray. This top, it looks blue in the camera, but it's actually gray. So it's super pretty. There will be 2 of these appliques. There will be a piece of this beautiful embroidered and beaded work. And again, there's 2 sleeves of this, and then the other 2 kits have a collar piece. And I was fair when distributing collars and sleeves in the kit, so everybody's going to get a good mixture. So this one has a sleeve, and you can see all these gorgeous sequins on the bottom. But I mean, there's a lot in a sleeve that you can do. You get the fabric, you get all these gorgeous sequins, you get that beautiful embroidered flower, and look at all these beautiful beads here. Just gorgeous. Each kit is also going to get this. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that fun? Gypsy coins. I found one which has all these beautiful coins on it. So you're each getting a nice long piece of the coins for your Gypsy projects. If you bought this trim by itself, you'd pay a lot of money for it. But there's a lot on here that you can use. So, and it's got all the little beads and everything. And I did leave some of the fabric on the top as well. So really pretty Gypsy coins here. Try and get that a little closer if I can. They're silver. So that's a really nice big long piece you get. So that'll be great for your projects. And then there is this piece. I love this piece. It's a very pretty green. And it's so pretty with the embroidery on it and all the little sequins. It's really pretty. It's a little lighter than the camera is showing. And then I've had this piece before as well, and but you do get a lot out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 trims you can easily get out of this piece. And again, I don't give small pieces. My pieces are always very large, so you're getting good bang for your buck. And speaking of large pieces, this is the beautiful mirrored Sari trim. You can see here, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got the mirrors all over it. This is folded over in half. And then there's more mirrors on the top here. So you can cut out those individual mirrors if you want to, or you can leave it like this. It's beautiful. Beautiful. It is embroidered. But I just love the little mirrors. They're so cute. So really super big piece of that. That's a really big piece. And then, oh, this piece I love, love, love. Love, love. So each piece, each kit gets one of these. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? This was a tablecloth, a square tablecloth, and I almost didn't cut it because I loved it so much. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to share. So everybody's getting a corner piece because it was a square with this beautiful embroidery, and this is cut work here. So that's open. Right there you can see my finger. Look at all these flowers you can cut out. All these flowers you could cut out here. And then there's more along the bottom and along the side as well. So really beautiful piece. Lovely burgundy color. with an ivory and just a very pale sage green in the leaves. It's really pretty. I love that. That's very different and unique. And then a great big huge piece of this sari, which will have this beautiful piece. And you know what I was thinking? I was thinking if you cut out the center of this, you could put an image there and use this as a frame for an image. That would be really cool. And then all along the bottom, it has this beautifulness. Isn't that pretty? Turquoise and like, I want to say it's like a light green and silver beads with embroidered work. So really big piece. And then there's these little motifs in it as well. So again, that is a huge piece that is included. And then this piece had the top of this sari. So whoever gets this one will get the collar portion. And this one has the big flower right there. And it's got sequins, and this is like a purple embroidered. So this is the top collar piece of the sari. Super pretty. And then elephants. Everybody's getting 2 elephants in their kit. I love these elephants. I did keep a couple for myself. I don't normally keep, oh, pardon me, this one has 3. That's, I don't think supposed to be in there. I think there's only supposed to be 2. So if there's 3, then everybody will get 3. I will go check the other ones. But if it's, I would say 2. Sorry about that. There's only 2 of these. I did keep a couple of these for myself because I love the elephants. They're so pretty. So there's 2. There's this one has a bigger one and a smaller one. They're going to vary. This is another part of a child's sari. This is the back of the sari. It's a beautiful red and gold, and this one has the loops in it. And there'll be 2 of them that have the loops in them. The other ones will just be like square pieces. But this one's got the loops. So that would be like super cool for the front of a journal. If you put buttons there, you could use that as a journal closure. I think that would be really cool. So a nice big piece. Beautiful piece of sari. And it's in a turquoise and silver and white and a little bit of gold. That's a nice big piece as well. This beautiful green piece. And these are more of your, you know, pieces that you want to have in your stash for flower making. That's why I like to include the silk pieces. I love this one. Black and gold and tan. I really like that one. And they make beautiful flowers. There's 2 of these pieces. This one's got the red and the blue on it, and I tried to make sure everybody got the red and the blue. And then this one is just red. Very sheer, but very fine silk. Really soft silk. And then there's 2 pieces, pardon me, 1 piece. I thought there was 2. I can put 2 pieces in. I'll put 2 pieces in of this red satin. And these are great for flowers. That's why I included that. So that is the kit. The kit is $25 because it does have a lot of extra goodies in it this time. And you're getting this huge big piece of the coin trim as well. So there's a lot of beautiful pieces in here. If you are interested, my email is in the description box below. You may email me if you are interested. It is first come, first serve. After these sell out, if you are still wanting a sari kit, I can put together a sari kit that is similar, but it will be slightly different. So keep that in mind if you want one of these to get the nice rhinestone pieces and things like that. So pretty. So that's it for now, guys. Email me if you're interested. Thanks, everybody. Bye.